In this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to reset PrimeXBT Passcode. First, open up your PrimeXBT application and make sure that you're logged in. After you are logged into your account, tap on the profile icon at the top left-hand corner. After you open up your profile tab, tap on Settings. Under Settings, expand the security option and click on Reset Passcode. Enter the current passcode you've set for the device in the text boxes. Now, enter the new passcode you would want to set. Confirm the new passcode by typing it again, and you've successfully changed or reset your passcode for this device on PrimeXBT. Next time you try to sign into your account, you'll need to enter the new passcode that you just changed to. That is how you can easily reset PrimeXBT account's passcode on a particular device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.